To make delicious French toast, all you need are sliced bread, eggs, milk, cinnamon, and salt, plus butter or oil for cooking and syrup. Combine the eggs, the milk, the cinnamon, and the salt in a big bowl or a pie plate and use a fork to mix them together really, really well. Add butter or oil to a hot frying pan or a skillet over medium-high heat. Then dip one slice of bread in the egg mixture and turn to coat it really well. Lift it up, drain it just a bit, and then place it in the hot, greased pan. Let it cook on one side till it's nice and brown, a minute or two. Then turn it over and let the other side cook to match. Transfer it to a plate and keep on cooking. Now for some French toast hacks. Stale bread works best, so if you have fresh bread, lay it out on a sheet pan to dry out. When you're cooking for a crowd, keep the cooked French toast on a hot sheet pan in a 300-degree oven. If you've got leftover egg, cover it and keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days. And with leftover French toast, pack it airtight and keep it in the fridge or the freezer. Best bread for French toast? Thickly sliced white bread is classic, but wheat bread is great. Brioche, challah. You can make fantastic French toast lots of ways. Thanks for watching.